This is Rory,
And Shanice.
and we are the Positive Vibes Only crew. Alright, today, me and Shanice came together because it is the month of October. And you know what that means? That means it's Halloween season. But on top of that, it is.
Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
Alright, so we as therapists, we know that like breast cancers work with the upper extremity. So we wanted to take our knowledge and the research that we have came up with and found to educate people who are survivors who are going through it and like maybe family members or whomever who's helping those who have it or have went through it. So the reason we actually came upon this is because of Shanice's.
My aunt. My aunt is a breast cancer survivor, and she recently texted me and asked me could I shoot her some exercise that she can do post radiation. So, since, like Rory said, we're therapists and it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, we thought that it'd be a great idea to do a video about some exercises that can be performed. Now, before you try to perform any of these exercises, please make sure you consult with your doctors first to make sure that it's okay for you to try them at this stage of the cancer. So, all the information that we have here and all the exercises that we're going to demonstrate, they come from AmericanCancerSociety.org. So, if you want to check out the link, please feel free to go to it and get more details on the information that we're giving and the exercises as well. So, as occupational therapists, me and Rory work with what we call ADLs or activities of daily living. So, that consists of dressing, bathing, grooming, feeding, brushing your hair, brushing your teeth, all those things. And we understand that the side effects of breast cancer can limit your ability to do those things because of the decreased range that you have in your arm or your shoulders. So these exercises are here to try to help you be able to get that range back into your arms and your shoulders so that you can be able to perform those activities of daily living or ADLs.
Right.
So here are a few tips that we have for you that you can do, which is also on the website, before you perform these exercises. The first one that they have is try doing it after you take a warm bath. After you take a warm bath, it helps to loosen up those muscles that you're using to try to perform the exercises. The second thing, wear loose clothing. Who wants to do exercises in tight clothes? So wear loose clothing. The third thing is when you perform these exercises, do them slowly. Try to get gentle stretches when you're doing these exercises. Fourth thing, these exercises should be done 5 to 7 times, 5 to 7 repetitions, okay? Twice a day. So you can do it in the morning and then at night.
Right.
5 to 7 times in the morning and at night, okay? And the next thing is when you're doing these exercises, take deep breaths. So you're going to go in through your nose and out through your mouth. And the last thing is these exercises are designed to be performed at first laying down, then in a sitting position, and then standing up. Okay?
So they're in moderation.
Right.
So I'm pretty sure you'll get cleared when you can perform these exercises in each stage.
Yeah. Laying down, sitting up, standing up. Okay? So the next face you will see is Roy demonstrating these exercises. This is Positive Vibes Only. The first couple of exercises we'll be demonstrating will be performed in a lying down position. The first exercise is called the wand exercise, and Rory will be using a stick-like object to do this exercise. This exercise is used to increase your ability to move your shoulders forward. Each repetition should be held for 5 seconds and do 5 to 7 times. Shoulders. Once again, this exercise should be repeated 5 to 7 times. The next couple of exercises will be done in a seated position. The first one is called shoulder blade stretch. This exercise helps to increase your shoulder blade movement. This exercise should be performed in front of a table, seated in a chair. The arm that Roy is demonstrating is the affected arm. The next exercise is called shoulder blade squeeze. This exercise also helps to increase shoulder blade movement and should be performed in a chair. This exercise is called side bends. This exercise helps to increase movement of your trunk and body. It is also performed in a chair. The next two exercises are in a standing position. The first one is called chest wall stretch. This exercise helps to stretch your chest. Make sure you're standing facing a corner with your toes 10 inches from the corner. If it's more comfortable for you, you can do this exercise one arm at a time. The last exercise is called shoulder stretch. This exercise can help increase the mobility in your shoulders. Remember, these exercises should be repeated 5 to 7 times, twice a day.